Hey everyone, it's Al here with the Marketing Suit. As you know, the US government is moving forward with this potential ban on TikTok, set to take effect very soon. This creates a lot of uncertainty, so today we're going to cover how to protect your content community and digital presence during this potential disruption. At the Marketing Suit, we believe in empowering creators. While we're disappointed with the potential ban on TikTok, we want to help you prepare for any outcome. Here's what we recommend. Save your TikTok data. Download all your videos, followers list, and analytics. A quick Google search will show you how. Also save any TikTok exclusive content directly to your phone or computer. Secure handles on alternative sites. RedNote is gaining traction as a potential replacement for TikTok. Lemon8, owned by ByteDance, is easy to transfer your TikTok following. And Blue Skies, while more Twitter-like, securing your handle here is a good idea as well. Inform your TikTok audience as much as you can and start directing your followers to your other social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or alternative mentions. Diversify your digital presence. This situation highlights the importance of a multi-platform strategy. Don't rely solely on one platform. As you can see, one platform can go to be here today and gone tomorrow. Let's say Vine, for instance. Change is constant. As the internet, no matter what happens, protect what you've built. We remain hopeful this ban will be short-lived. Potential President-elect Trump has expressed his interest in bringing TikTok back. However, it's crucial to take these precautions now. At the Marketing Suit, we stand with creators. While saddened by the limitations this decision places on millions of Americans, we will continue to advocate for your right to create and connect. If you have any questions and need assistance, please reach out in the comments below. We're here to support you. Thank you. And that's another episode of The Marketing Suit.